Whoa, look at that. Look on this part. Look, all around parts from airplane. That's amazing. I have no gloves, but that must be a big crash here. Really big crash. Also part of the right side, left side. Whoa, that's amazing. Guys, I tell you, this is like in heaven. This is like in heaven. Look, it's amazing. That's amazing. Whoa. And there is another part. That's amazing. Guys, here is another part with the rest of the green color. So amazing, amazing. And another part, look. Wow, great. This is absolutely amazing. And some parts are really heavy. Wow. Look. That's amazing. And here's another part. Everywhere are parts from airplane. Look. Great. This is absolutely great. Some mushrooms there. Okay. There I see another part. So let's go. This is adventure, what I like. Whoa, whoa, look at that. Look on this part. This is really great. This is absolutely amazing. Whoa, whoa. So, another part, but this is amazing. This is what I love. This part. Completely with iron construction and our parts. Wow, that's a great. This is what I love. This is, and there I see another part. So let's go check another part. Well, be careful. Here. Wow, here another part. Everywhere I look. Are parts from airplane. That's amazing. God. This is absolutely amazing trip. Amazing. Look. And this. Especially I love this construction part. I really love it. Really love it. So we're going on this part. I make a cut because I'm really tired, but this is great. So we find another part. Look how big are these parts. Everywhere are these big parts from airplanes. Really heavy. It's aluminium, but it's really heavy. I will not cut on these danger parts, but look. This is absolutely amazing. This is a wing part. I think it's just from wing, and here are another parts. Look, everywhere you look, everywhere you grab, you find parts from airplane. Look at that. That's amazing. Parts from airplane. I will especially look on this part, but give me a second for this is absolutely great. Look at that. Look at that with construction, with Great, and there is another part, so let's go check another part. I need to be careful here. Oh, look. Oh my god, it's, oh, that's really heavy. Heavy part from airplane. That's amazing. And there, behind me, it's another part from airplane. It's absolutely great. Everywhere you look, you find a part from. Oh, that's, my god, that's heavy. Everywhere, a part from airplane. This is absolutely great. Look at that. Oh my god, that's heavy. It's really heavy. But look, look. Whoa. There is another part. Everywhere you look, you find a part from airplane. That's absolutely amazing. This is maybe, damn it, look at that. Really amazing. Everywhere you look, you find a part from an airplane. Everywhere. I'm really tired, but these words. Oh my god, I need to be careful. Another part. Look. Whoa. So we're going up on this hill, and we find lots of stuff. Everywhere where I look, I find a part from airplane. another part. Oh god, a really heavy part. Whoa. That's really great. Oh god. Another part. Look, everywhere. Oh my god. This is absolutely amazing. Oh, I need to be careful, but this is amazing. This hydraulic part. I need to be careful, but look at that. This part is really heavy. Oh god. But it's absolutely amazing. I don't know if you... God damn it. It's really heavy. It's airplane. Whoa. Great. There is another part. So let's go check. I'll make a picture from this because it's absolutely amazing. Whoa. Great. What do you think, guys? Leave me a comment if you like this video, because I really enjoy this moment. I really enjoy it. So let's go check another part like this. I see there is another part from this airplane. Damn, it's really hard to go on this hill. Oh, god damn it! Look, another part. This is interesting. This part. Look. You can see this part. What is it? This part is ceramic or what is it? Leave me a comment, please. I don't know what is it. Leave me a comment. There is another part. Lots of small part, and there is a big part. So let's go check it. God damn it, I'm tired. There is a part from engine, and look at that. Look. Whoa. I need to make a more picture with my cell phone, but first I will you see all this stuff here, because I'm really lucky, man, that I have such a great location like this. So I need to be careful. Here, one part is another part from engine there, it's another part. Here is another part. Everywhere, everywhere. I feel like on Christmas, if you have a Christmas gifts, and everywhere are Christmas gifts for me now. So I feel like on Christmas. Oh, damn it. Oh, that's another part. And here it's another part. Look at that. Good, huh? Hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Really amazing, really amazing. Up is another place, so but I see here another part, so let's go check it. Here is another part from the plane. Another part. Here is a big piece. Hard terrain here, but everywhere are amazing. Look how small pieces, big pieces like this. Whoa! Now I'm not only military finder, I'm a plane finder now. So I go up on this side and I make video on that place. Okay.